羽ばたいたら戻らないと言って目指したのは青い青いあの空
Welcome back to my channel. Can you guess what kind of look I'm doing today? Every day that we get closer to Halloween, I can feel myself getting stronger. We're gonna do something super cool today. So I was looking through Pinterest the other day and I was looking for Naruto inspired makeup look and I couldn't find anything. So I went on Instagram, I went on YouTube. I found some stuff, but it was like very little and it wasn't like a bunch of them. I did not like that. So I wanted to do something that was very inspired by Naruto and I wanted to make it cool. And I wanted to make it glam. I wanted to make it glam, but I wanted to make it cool. So I thought, why don't I do something that's, you know, I love so much and take something that I love so much with something else that I love so much and just like make them one thing. So I'm going to start just meshing everything together and see how that goes for a little while. And I'll still do other videos on the side. I'm just going to start just bringing out all the stuff that's in my soul. I'm just gonna like just puke it all out and that's what we're gonna be doing. And I'm really excited because it's like our safe space, right? To be nerdy, to be cool, to be like whatever the crap we want to be while still being makeup savvy. I was really inspired by Sage Mode and the orange eyes when he achieved Sage Mode. I wanted to make it still makeup-y, but I wanted to make it still Naruto. This is what we ended up with. I don't know, I just didn't do it. I went in and I used my my Second Nature palette from Morphe, and that was the dominant palette that I used. And then a yellow, just chrome yellow from MAC. It was just a pan. So basically how it went down was I started off with the lightest, brightest orange, and then I started to transition to a darker. I gave it some dimension with reds, and then the last was a red-based brown that I used. It was like this one or this one of the two. I will say right away, I hit tons of bumps in the road. I went into this thing with no plan whatsoever. I did use a cheaper brand of concealer and to cut my crease, and that is where all of the problems just started. I just knew I should have used what I always use, and halfway through, I was like, I absolutely hate it. And I had to kind of like reevaluate where I was going with the look. I was like, I have to keep going. I'm already filming. I have to keep going. Whatever. So we're just not gonna go there. We're gonna keep it moving. It's a look. It's a look. So. guys, so that's it for today. Thank you again for hanging out with me. Some products I didn't show. I will list everything down below for you if you like. I hope you absolutely loved it. For all of my anime lovers, for all my Naruto lovers, for my girls and guys that like to go to MetroCon, ShadowCon, MegaCon, any anime convention in your area. For everybody. And maybe you don't want to cosplay, but maybe you want to like halfway cosplay. You know, maybe you want to show up in jeans and like maybe you're on a budget. Thank you again for all your likes and your comments and your subscribes. Like I said, with every one of those things, it helps my channel out so much, and I really appreciate every single one of you guys for supporting me. And I will catch you guys next video. Bye!